Isang kapanapanabik na balita para sa mga boxing fans ang kumakalat ngayon na impormasyon na posibleng maglaban nga ngayong Agosto ang dalawang Pinoy rising boxer natin. Ang dalawang bisdak, Mel Fajardo alias Silent Assassin ng Agusan del Sur kontra John Paul Gabonillas alias Angas ng Cebu. May kasalukuyang record itong si Angas ng Cebu na 10 wins, only 1 defeat, 7 dito via knockout at may edad na 22. Habang impresibo din ang kartada ni Silent Assassin na 10 wins, 1 loss, siyang via knockout at may edad na 23. Galing sa siyam na sunod-sunod na panalo itong si Fajardo na kung saan 8 dito ay tinapos via TKO. Habang galing naman sa 8 sunod-sunod na panalo itong si Gabonillas at 6 dito tinapos din niya via knockout. Di nagkakalayo ang record ng dalawa, parehong malakas, parehong bata pa at parehong may gustong patunayan sa isa't isa. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila ay ilang beses nang napalaban itong si Mel Fajardo sa labas ng Pinas. Dumayo na sa China, Dubai at Thailand at parehong pinatulog ang mga kalaban. Dagdag mo pa ang huling laban niya sa Thailand na kung saan pang Guinness World Record ang ginawa niya sa kalaban. 10 seconds lang pinatulog agad ang kalaban sa round 1. Habang itong si Gabonillas ay puro sa Pinas lang ang laban, pero sa kanyang huling laban ay isang dayo na nagmula sa bansang Indonesia ang kanyang tinumba para makuha lang ang bakanting WBO Asia Pacific Youth Light Flyweight title. Kasalukuyang world rank itong si Mel Fajardo, number 12 sa WBO, number 15 sa WBC, number 5 sa WBA at number 7 sa IBF. Kaya naman isang magandang pagkakataon ito para kay Gabonillas kung sakaling manalo. Aakyat agad ang rankings niya at mapalapit agad sa world title. Pero wala din sa radar ni Mel Fajardo na basta-basta na lang magpatalo. Pinaghirapan niyang umakyat sa rankings, dumayo sa iba't ibang bansa at magpatulog ng kalaban. Kaya naman, di din ito basta-basta magpapatalo sa Angas ng Cebu. Ang posibleng laban nila ay para sa bakanting OPBF Light Flyweight title. Isang kapanapanabik na laban kung sakaling matuloy man. Bakbakan ng parehong magaling, matibay at malakas. Dagdag mo pa na pareho silang bisdak. Kaya naman, inaasahan ng karamihan na sa laban ay posibleng may babagsak. Ikaw, kanino ka kung sakaling matuloy man ang laban nila? Silent Assassin o Angas ng Cebu? Ating sulyapan ang ilan sa mga knockout highlights ng kani-kanilang mga laban.
ต้องบอกว่าคนพากย์ยังไม่ทันดูเลยนะครับกำลังจะดูสถิติลงไปเรียบร้อยแล้วครับสราวุธเจียมทองประชาเข้าไปดูแลอย่างใกล้ชิดเลยนะครับไม่เป็นไรครับตอนนี้ครับ
The head movement and the head.
Reflexes siya. So, fight to us. And here comes the one. Power. King with the rounds, but at this moment, at lahat ng mga tao, doon makakita ng the round. And double head. Randy Freeman is about to get done.
muna, retok muna. Retok mo, retok mo. Retok mo. Diretso sa ulo, diretso sa ulo. Ulitin mo na. Ulo, ulo, ulo.
So 7 stone 10 was too much to make.
The eyes running to the belly.
Good shot there.
So we're left hook at me.
Just gone into a shadow of round 1.
Shot.
They both land at the same time. He's having a good opening round here for the Pino fighter.
Good shot.
Beautiful left hand there from. Then he did it again. And Gauto was just put straight down. No time left in the round, which is just
In flush, really did like really right on the butt. Oh, then
very surprising if he doesn't get the win. Big left hand again there.
be low for Hal and then come in with that left hook. Good fight back over Gato. Oh, good left hook.
Gauto hit by left hand, but he's trading here, which could be a problem. Good upper body movement from him. He shifts another left hand. Big left hand again there. He
It's a
touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Left hand. The referee's given him extra time there. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the glove which he missed. And then he was put down. Harlow just looking for that left hook every single time he can throw. Remaining in round 2.
Oh, good shot. Oh.
Another big left hand, and he's taken those two somehow. He's thrown me to see if I were there. This is a critical stage of his career, of course. He's 17-0. But I think he's done here, and it's only a matter of time, isn't it? Big left hand again there. The referee jumps in, and that's a good decision from the referee, who missed a couple of touchdowns in that round.
Because he's hurt him, like, early. So he's walking around thinking, I just.
From Agusan del Sur, Philippines, it's Mael Fajardo.
John Paul Gabonilla!